ceist le Inis Oírr agus an chéibh atá an sin agus an orbert atá bartaí don céibh agus tá sagam de réir ma hiiscinne tá dul chun cén déanta ach ba bhla mé sin na chinú an tafod mar fuair an orbert seo cead planála 2008 agus tá sé ordaí go minic go 2006 go tame í dús. So just an dul chun cén a choléirú dom agus é a bheith hafad na dála gur magad.
Gur magad hachtta tá cuasa bhí calla Inis Oírr sé Inis Oírr tágan. Tá big déála calla Inis Oírr, anna? Oh, yeah, right. Mar sólaigh an teachta is le cuairchunda na Gaillimhe an údarás le haigh cuasaí forbathe sna cuasaí calla ar na Hill an Áran agus Inis Oírr cuid them then. As the Deputy knows, there are regular meetings between officials from my department and Galway County Council to discuss and monitor pier development on the islands. The last meeting was held on Wednesday the 12th of March. The next meeting is scheduled for the 8th of April. With regard to the development of Inis Oírr Pier, Galway County Council is the contracting authority. It's responsible for all aspects of procurement. I understand the Galway County Council has formally completed the assessment and the evaluation of all tender responses, and a successful tender has been identified. Earlier this week, Galway County Council submitted the final business case to my department, seeking approval to proceed with the project, which represents Decision Gate 3, as set out in the Government Infrastructure Guidelines. The final case, which was received on Monday of this week, is now being reviewed by my department. It will be checked for completeness in terms of the requirement elements, such as an overall cost and affordability of the proposal, the benefits and risks associated. I know the Deputy has worked very hard on this. You will appreciate that this is a significant department. Ní bháin le haigh winter Inis Oírr ach le marin freisin. Agus caiimiid láidir in tuiscint go bhfuil gapród ceart agus go bhfuil gapród comhraibh. So therefore we have to be satisfied that the final business case meets the required standard. I've asked my department to complete the review with care, with attention, but to bring a recommendation to me as quickly as is possible. And I will keep the Deputy totally informed in relation to this.
Agus tuigim an reagracht atá an Rhein agus ní mórdíomh an jobí dhéanamh i gceart ach tá muid ag siar písa fada go 2008 agus bhí fógras fápéir I dúris go raibh dul chun cinn iontóg déanta. So what you're telling me now is that it's before your department for a final decision. But I understand from the very positive article in Tuirisk that a time has been set out for the work to start and the work to be completed. And I understand that that work is to be completed now at the latest in 2027, and that will start, and there are conditions in relation to the Iniltóirí, the engineers have an Irish and so on, and staying on the island. Are you aware of that detail? And could you, man féidir, Tile sunri a chuirtdom ó híomh an chonaraide cén uair a bheits an obair ag tosnú, cén uair a bheits a críochne agus na cnílacha gur magad.
Níl sunri sin agam fósteachta, ní siad agam aniuach déir mé an bhain siad an. Ní cap gur mai siad an ag an pinsa seo ar níl méid ach ag dulgatí an tender stage, so ba si sin quiz in tender. Ach tá ag éirí gur mai siad.
Maybe there's a mix-up between the islands, because I understood there was a positive announcement for Inis Oírr and the extension of the pier.
Inis Oírr.
Inis Oírr,
yeah. No, tágam an seo go bhfuil an tender report. We received the report on Monday. So I didn't see near honnig me cad a bhí leagar mata tuirisk ach tá mí de géirí é seo a dhéanamh choú agus is féidir. Agus dúirt mé go dtí áfagaí mar rinn nuair a bheith ag phléin ceist seo gur caiime é go dhéanamh go cuairmach ach go scopaí mar tá muid go fada le dhéanamh é. Ach tag mé ráisteid faoin sunraí cosúla sin ach tá mé ceappa go mar sunraí cosúla sin chuid den conra idir an...
Bheadh sé tábhachtú just soléirú thuirtdom.
Ja, agus ach bheadh sé tábhachtú gur maith na daoine aon duine atá ag obair ar an overshow go mai gweirga acu agus mai siad ag fannacht có féidir as is go mai siad an ar an Ilan ag an buinte seo.